Welcome to Hami Home Cooking Show. Today I teach you how can you make an easy salmon puff pastry. Ingredients are puff pastry. You can buy in the store like this. And fried salmon in the olive oil. You fry it both sides in the olive oil. And mix of vegetables. There are mix of carrot, peas and corns. First I take the puff pastry, put the salmon in the middle of the puff pastry, put the vegetable in the round of the puff pastry, you need 2 slices. Put the second on the top of the puff pastry. Push with your hands. And you decorate with a fork like this. When you're done, you put in the oven dish plate. 200 degrees in 20 minutes. Okay, this is the result of a baked salmon puff pastry with a vegetable, and you can serve with a delicious yogurt mayonnaise Bailuq sauce. Bon appetit! See you next time on Mr. Hami Home Cooking Show. Bye everyone!